So the next item on our list is Bootstrap row. And this basically helps you create rows and columns as defined in the Bootstrap grid. And this makes it very easy to create layouts like this. And basically what it says is that you can have like 12 columns inside a row, and you decide like how many columns would be there depending on the device on which your website is showing. So it is very difficult to explain how the Bootstrap grid works in this one. But if you go to YouTube, you will see that there are many great
In this video,
tutorial about how the grid and rows work. And I learn this. It can be very useful to create some very good responsive layouts for your website. So basically, if you add a row, then you add columns, and inside columns you can have more HTML elements. And let's say I have added this column, and inside this I have a paragraph, and then I'll just duplicate it this column. So now we have two columns in this row. And when you go to column and you go to column settings, then you can specify that how many columns it should show on a mobile phone and how many it should show on a desktop. So let's say I change this to 8, and in this column I change this to 4. So this will mean that this column is 8 by 12, and basically 3/4, and this is basically 1/4. And if you want to learn more, then I definitely recommend checking these YouTube tutorials about the how the Bootstrap grid works.